This Ayurvedic rosemary and cloves tea is all you need if you want to start seeing length and volume fast. I mean, if you want to start seeing how much your hair can grow, this is the video you should be watching. This used to be my hair before, and this is my hair now. I sincerely used to think my hair can never grow, mostly because nobody in my family have long hair, therefore my hair can never grow. But when I got the right information, I started seeing length and volume. And one of the changes I made is moisturizing my natural hair daily with this rosemary and cloves tea. If you want a full healthy hair, then keep watching this video to learn different methods of making this potent Ayurvedic rosemary and cloves tea that will give your hair the boost it needs to thrive. Rosemary stimulates hair growth. It improves blood circulation to the scalp, thereby helping more oxygen and nutrients reaching the hair follicles. Antioxidants in rosemary like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid protects hair follicles from damage and breakage caused by stress or free radicals. Rosemary also has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help fight dandruff, fungal infections, and itchiness. It calms scalp inflammations and keep your scalp clean and balanced. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound that boosts blood circulation in the scalp, thereby also improving circulation, which encourages faster and thicker hair growth. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which helps fortify the root, reduce breakage, and make hair stronger from the inside out. It also fights dandruff and scalp infection and controls excess oil and soothes itchy scalp. And these are the beautiful containers we are going to be using to store the products when we are done making them. So for the first method, we are going to be using a tablespoon of rosemary and a tablespoon of cloves. Then I'll boil on low heat for 5 to 6 minutes. If you want more quantity to come out of this, that means you have to increase the quantity of the rosemary and cloves you are using for this, and then you increase the water. And make sure when you are done, you have to store this in the refrigerator, or you should not use it for more than 6 days. We are going to be using the fermenting technique for the second method. In a clean plate, you measure out a tablespoon of rosemary and a tablespoon of cloves. By then, hot water is already boiling in your stove. It mustn't be boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. It could just be a water that is just a little bit above warm. I changed my mind on the container I was using initially. I thought to use this one because it has a lid. Remember, I'm going to be keeping this in the corner for it to ferment for like 6 to 12 hours. So I need it covered properly. Instead of allowing it to just stay for just overnight, I intentionally let it stay for 24 hours before sieving it out so it will properly ferment. I need all the nutrients to be extracted. The third method will just require a little more effort. So instead of just soaking rosemary and cloves just like that, I decided to grind them to be in a fine state so that enough nutrients can be extracted. Meanwhile, guys, I have a very organic shea butter that is all for sale. If you need shea butter and you want it to be organic, straight from the source, I have it right now. You can place your order in the comment section and you have it delivered to you anywhere you are. You will get it. Twenty-four hours later, let's sieve out the shafts and get our Ayurvedic rosemary and cloves tea. Tell me at this instant, what do you think is the difference between the three of these products we got from the three methods? Just type it in the comment section right now. I want to know what you think first before I start saying them. So guys, these are the three different products we got from the three methods, and I will just say none of this is more potent than the other. I feel you should use or make you should make any of them depending on your schedule. So the one that your schedule can permit you to make, you can go ahead and make it. Let me use this one to show you guys how I moisturize my natural hair with my rosemary and cloves tea. So this is the one I chose. And yeah, I know what's in your mind. You'll be like, is she going to pour this liquid on her hair even while she's on braid? Of course, I'm going to do that. Yeah, because I've taught you guys in one of my videos, you see the link in the description below, how I moisturize my hair in braids. I don't joke with my moisture, I don't joke with my natural hair. I want it to grow until it gets to my back. So I'll do everything possible to make it grow. So let's just dive in. There is nothing wrong with moisturizing your hair even while on braids, especially if you have a hair dryer, especially if you are going out, you know that air will actually circulate through your scalp, and depending on how you pack your hair or how you style your hair in braids. So for this is actually night, and I'm about to do my night routine, make dinner, do one or two things before I go and rest for the day. But I'm still going to moisturize my hair because why not? Let's just continue. So I'm not actually spraying this water on my braids, like the extensions. I'm concentrating more on my scalp, and that is only where I'm going to spray this. So watch me moisturize my hair in braids. Guys, if you want a detailed video, I'll link one of the videos I showed you guys how to moisturize your hair in braids. It's actually like in the description below. So you just take this hair down. Your focus should just be on your scalp, just the scalp. So guys, we are done moisturizing. Next is to massage in the moisture. You just massage for like 30 seconds, 60 seconds. That's like 1 minute. Me, I don't like wasting much time, so I just massage. But guys, if you can go longer than me, you should do that. Well, I actually sincerely advise you, if you're moisturizing your hair while in braids, you should get ready to be washing your hair every week. Let's just say every week, because obviously there is extension. This is not just your natural hair. There is another thing, there is extension on your hair. So if you leave it that way for a long period of time, it's going to smell. Do not keep people in the bus. Always wash your hair. Get a dryer when you wash your hair. Maybe every weekend after spraying these teas or other product that you use,
to moisturize your natural hair in braids. So one day in 1 week, you wash your hair and then use your hair dryer and dry your hair, style your hair, and off you go. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like this video, you comment, and also go through my description and see other links to my videos, and please help me watch them. Yeah, help me watch them. So I have this challenge to hit 4,000 watch hours before December 25th, 2025. So guys, I am begging you, anytime you see my video, please watch it and watch it to the end, and share to your friends, your family members, your aunties, your mummies, even your enemies. They can go as well, but as far as they are watching my video, and they help me to actualize my dreams, which is getting to 4,000 watch hours before 25th of December 2025. Thank you all for watching to this moment. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.